We're going to discuss a lesson for all. A lesson for all. Already we have discussed first part. In first part there are many characters I told you already. Mayor of the town, milkman, newspaper boy, hawker and school bus driver, Dr. Swati, Mrs. Ropa, a housewife, Mr. Vamsi, a businessman, Mrs. Geeta, a housewife, Janaki and Kalyani, Mrs. Geeta's daughters, school-going girls. Had two girls, two daughters are school-going girls. First scene, person scene completed. Human beings, they made the society dirty. They spoiled the society. They spoiled the environment, and they spoiled the, and because of them, air is polluted, water is polluted, and soil also polluted. Every reason there is a man behind. Every problem behind there is a man. Here in the streets, first page we have seen two pictures. In those two pictures, animals don't have any sense, but they maintain their surroundings clean and green. At the same time, whereas human beings, they think they are intelligent, they are clever, they think that they are clean, than than animals, but their thoughts and ideas are worst. See once you go to forest, in the first picture, animals where they are living, the full area is very good. And second picture, human beings, where humans are living, where intelligent people are living, that area is very dirty. And they are not giving respect to others, neighbors. They are making their houses, compound walls, gates, and everything. They won't allow any person to their house. They are maintaining alone. They are living alone. But here animals, they are living together. All groups of animals living together, living happily in the jungle. See, in this town, the street, a city street, early in the morning, everything was dirty. That full roads, all roads are dirty. Waste bags, and waste materials on the roads. Who had done this? Who had thrown this all garbage and dust on the street roads? Animals. Animals had thrown the dust and waste materials on the streets. Here you see page number 88. See, hawker, Mr. Vamsi, the mayor, bus driver, they all entered. And in that page number 88, one picture is there. Picture up bracket, one line is there. Enter animals who have been hiding: deer, rabbit, birds, squirrel, and tigers, etc. These all are hiding behind the trees. These all are hiding behind the trees, and there are the cause for these all mess. They made the surroundings mess. Who made the surroundings mess? These animals had thrown. They had thrown the garbage and dust in the streets, city streets. Animals, we are responsible. They asked who they were thinking. Human beings are thinking that who are the cause for this all, and who made this all, the roads dirty. They are asking everyone. Animals came in front of the mayor, and they said, animals said, we are responsible. Animals are accepted that we are responsible. If anyone is making mistake, if you ask the person, same person who had committed mistake, the person will say no, he won't accept. But here animals are accepted. We have done this all mess, they accepted. We have spread the garbage all over the town. We had spread. See here, we have spread here. Spread. Here you see spread V1 form and V2 form. Spread V2 form also same and V3 form also same. Very important. See, spreading, spreads. But in exam it will be asked like, what is the V1 form, what is the V2 form of spread? What is the V2 form of spread? Spread, V2 form and V3 form are same. See, these three are same. Pronunciation also same. We have spread the garbage all over the town, not only in the street. Every street covered with dust and rubbish on the street. See, dear, yes, we confess we did so. We confess means we accept. We did so. We have done this all mess in every street, in every area, every corner of the town. Mayor, what? You? How dare you? He asked. What? You? How dare you? He asked. How dare you to make this town dirty? He asked. Who asked? Mayor asked to the animal. Mrs. Geta, what right do you have to spoil our town? What right you have? What is the right you have to make our surroundings dirty? Make our surroundings dirty. What is? Who are you to make my human beings atmosphere make the made dirty? Tiger, what right do you have to spoil our forest? And the tiger is asking Mrs. Geta, what right you have to spoil our forest? The forest is our dwelling place, living place. Dwelling place means living place. We are living in that. How you are living in this town? How you are living here? We are living in forest. How dare? Who has given right to destroy our forest? Who has given right to cut the trees? Who has given right to throw the dust and garbage in our dwelling place, living place? Tiger asked. Birds, our trees are dying because of you. Our trees are dying because of you. Because of you, all trees are dying. Where can we roost or build our nests? Roost means here, sleep. Where we can sleep? Where we can build nest? How can we sit? What we can eat? The birds are asking us, not only Mrs. Geta. They animals open our eyes. They tell the fact to us. See, birds, our trees are dying because of you. Where can we roost or build our nest? Where can we sleep and where can we sit? Squirrel, and where can we live? Where we can live? If you keep on cutting the trees, if you keep on throwing the garbage, if you keep on releasing carbon dioxide and the chemicals which are harmful to us, if you release in the atmosphere, how can we survive? How can we live? Rabbit, You are worried about Kalyani when she was injured. Squirrel asked very good question to people those who are living in the town. You are worried about Kalyani when she was injured. When she was injured, all people came and helped her. Helped her. Someone goes and brings the doctor. Someone brings ice cubes, and someone helps her to tie the bandage. These are all you are helping. You are helping yourself. Jansi and Kalyani. Oh no! How shocking! Terrible! They said Janaki and Kalyani. Dear, but we have no doctors. You have doctors. You have doctors. You have persons to help you. But we don't have doctors. We don't have engineers to make our nests. We don't have lawyers to support the animals. We don't have doctors. We don't have police to protect us. You have everyone. Police are there, judges are there, lawyers are there, doctors are there, teachers are there, and everyone is there to help you. But we don't have anyone, dear. But we have no doctors. If any disease affects us, there is no doctor to cure our diseases. Tortoise. All the fishes in the rivers and lakes die because of the waste dumped in the water. You are dumping waste in the water. Waste means waste chemicals, papers, bottles, plastics. You are throwing in the drainage, and this drainage is mixing and merging in the rivers and oceans. In which what fishes are living, the fishes are dying because of this waste material, chemicals and water. There are many factories. You are constructing factories. The waste materials you are sending through pipes into rivers and oceans and seas. All animals are destroying these chemicals are destroying fishes and other species in the water. Dr. Swati, yes, it is unfortunately true. She is accepted. She is accepted that what animals say to the mayor and us, it is 100% correct. It is 100% correct. Who said, Dr. Swati? Birds. So we arranged a meeting and decided to give all your rubbish back to you. Whatever you have thrown into the forest, we have brought those all rubbish overnight returned back to the town. Tiger. We have only returned the garbage, but not chemicals and poisons. We have dumped only the garbage, the waste materials on the street roads, not chemicals and poisons. Human beings are releasing poisonous chemicals and waste materials through the water. We didn't throw the chemicals and poisons in the town. We had only thrown this garbage and dust. The mayor, dear animals and birds, you are right. The mayor also said, what you have said, that is right. We are responsible for every mistake. You are not responsible for any mistake. We are to survive human beings. We are cutting trees and constructing factories. We are constructing houses. In order to construct houses, we are cutting the forest. If you keep on cutting the forest, the animals will come to the towns and villages. Mrs. Ropa, but where can we dispose of it? Where we have to keep these all waste materials and chemicals and all these? She asked the mayor. If you all agree to sort out the letter, this dirty roads. If you all agree to sort out means if you want to rectify this problem, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Then some of it can go for processing and some for recycling. If you use in our streets there some people are coming and collecting the wet and dry bags and all, and they are collecting and they are taking. If you they had given two boxes to us, we have to keep the wet dust in one box and dry dust in one box. If you separate our dust, the municipality people will come and they recycle the dry material, and this wet material they dump in another place where the human beings are not harmed. In that place they will dump. Mrs. Getam, good idea. Let us do just that. First we have to separate dry dust one place and wet dust one place. The mayor, let us save our mother earth. We have to save our mother earth. This earth is giving everything to us. Without earth we cannot get anything. What we are enjoying, whatever we are enjoying, we are getting from the earth. Books, mobiles, and everything. Fan, what is available? Buses, trains, aeroplanes, all we have made because of the earth. These all materials came from the earth, and we are digging pipes for underground drainage system and water facilities. We are all are getting from the earth, mother earth. If the water dry in the underground, we cannot get water also. To the animals, thank you dear animals for teaching us a lesson. We have learned a lesson from the animals which are not educated. They taught us lesson how to keep our surroundings and how to behave and how to live in the society. Thank you for lesson. We assure you we will not pollute or spoil our homes. We won't. First, we have to start clean and green program from our home. As you are studying 6th class, you should maintain your bags and your. First, you have to sanitize yourself. First, you have to clean yourself. You should take bath, you should take brush and cut your nails, and these are your responsibility. After completing this, you have to clean your room, and if possible, you help to your mother to clean the house. And you tell to your parents, if your parents are uneducated, you tell them not to throw dust outside of the house. They have to keep in every house and every village and every town the government appointed some workers. They will come and collect and they will take the dust and they throw in other places. Animals, thank you Mr. Mayor, thank you. They returned. Animal said thank you to mayor, and mayor also said, and the people those are living in the town, they all said thank you. The mayor, self-help is the best help. Let us clean this up. All, including the mayor, start picking up the letters. Letters means waste papers and everything they had collected, and they separated which are useful they kept in one box, which are not useful and uh, they keep in different another box. Page number 89. In this lesson, really the animals taught a lesson to us. We have to learn these all. This is very very important because of this, because of environment. If we feel good environment, if you keep the environment clean and neat, the next generation will be happy. If you keep on constructing houses, keep on cutting the trees, we cannot give good life to the next generations. Good life next generations in the sense your children and your grandchildren, they may feel difficult to live in the society like this year because of corona. Second corona second one, second type of corona will come, third type, fourth type. This type of virus and bacteria will come if we keep on spoiling our surroundings, keep on spoiling our environment. This is the correct time to protect our environment, keep and clean. We have to save our earth, we have to save environment, and we should not spoil our society. We should not throw the dust outside. Running water, if the water comes out from the tap, if it is wasting, you go and stop the tap. Don't throw dust outside. These are the things we have learned from the animals, which are uneducated people, uneducated animals taught educated people. It is very shame and shameful to us. Animals taught a lesson. Animals. See here, page number 89. Page number 89. One example: if person who is studying 6th class, he went to school all working days without he didn't keep any absent. He did not absent to school even one day. He went all days to school. He learned many things, and he is going to face exam. And one uneducated person also wanted to write that exam. Uneducated person also wanted to write that same exam what the person is attended. The person who went to school without absent, he is also writing one test, and uneducated person also going to write one test. Both are attended to test. The person who is uneducated, if he gets good marks, how would he feel? He feels very shame, because throughout the year he went to school, but he scored less marks. The person who did not go to school and scored very good marks, how did you feel? You feel very bad. The animals here, they did not know what is right and what is good, and they don't know how to talk and how to behave. They did not even go to school, but they are telling to us what is good and what is right. It is very bad, it is very wrong. So children, here we should really learn a lesson from this lesson. We should not forget this lesson. If you forget, this type of problems will repeat once in a 10 years, once in a 20 years, once in a 100 years also. Future generations means your children, your grandchildren will be facing many problems. Page number 89, glossary. Letter is noun carelessly thrown waste carelessly. After eating chocolate, we throw the wrapper on the road, on the street road, outside. We throw the dust in the outside. That is not right process. Garbage means worthless materials such as food waste, papers. I told litter and garbage both are, we can use both are after completing. Suppose if you bring meals from outside, after eating the papers, plastic bags we throw outside. We should not be careless. Rubbish, things that are not no longer wanted, things, waste material, boxes. Suppose if you bring boxes from courier, after taking them thing from out, this box we throw outside. That is not good. You have to keep in your house, and when the persons, the boy will come, the boy who collects waste material, you have to give that material to the person. Next, trip on means to fall. Trip on means fall means to fall down. Confess means accept, to admit that one has done something wrong. Who had done something wrong? Human beings had done many things wrong, not one thing. They spoiled the environment, they spoiled the society, they spoiled water pollution and sound pollution and air pollution made by human beings. Dump, throw waste carelessly. They are cleaning the houses and they keep, they collect in the box and they throw outside of the house. Again, if it rains or if it rains, the drainage system will be blocked and the total houses will be covered with water. Dwelling place means living place. We are dwelling here means we are living here. We are dwelling in Garudi. We are living in Garudi. Roost means to sleep. Roost means where I roost in this house means I am sleeping in this house. Recycling, the process of collecting waste material for using. Suppose polythene bags are there. If you use once you use the polythene bags without throwing, and government will start recycling system, it will be good. And that waste materials also, if there is a recycling system, we can use those materials again which we feel not useful. Reading comprehension, children. Answer these following questions. Answer these following questions. I will keep notes and you have to follow. One homework I wanted to give you, that is list the human animal characters to, in the play. Write in your notebook. List the human and animal characters in the play. Write in your notebook. This is also very important. A reading and A and B you have to write. C, complete the following statement by choosing the right option from the choice given below. A street was filled with flowers, rubbish and fruits. You complete yourself. I don't want to give answers. And see here, vocabulary. See, choose the words with similar meanings. Similar meanings means synonyms for the underlined words from the list given below. Spoil, garbage, dwelling recklessly. People living in the cities damage the surrounding place from their comfort in their residence. They carelessly throw the waste everywhere. See, choose the word synonym meanings you see from this line. This line. Otherwise, I will tell you. Children, this homework. Read this lesson which you did not read yesterday, and this complete part homework what you complete. Notes I will keep today or tomorrow. Don't waste your time. Read each and every line Have a good day. See you all. Thank you. Thank you all.